The first thing you want to do is check the condition of your hair. This way you will know if you need more product or not. This is important because you don't want to put an excess amount of product in your hair when your hair does not need it. There are two main methods that you can use. You can either go ahead and retwist it in its natural state after you untwist it. The main purpose for just retwisting it is for speed purposes and you still get the elongation. Or you can detangle it and then twist it back up. The main reason for separating the twist and detangling in between each of the two strand twists is so that you can restructure the twist, because maybe you had your hair up in a ponytail and the twist is no longer in a straight type of state. Also, what this does is it helps re-moisture your hair. Okay, so now let's go into the examples. I'm starting off by checking the condition of my hair. The condition of my hair feels pretty good right now. I don't feel like it needs product right now. It's not breaking out right now. It doesn't feel overly dry. So I'm gonna show you this one is for speed purposes and you still get the elongation. And that you really don't have to break them apart if you don't want to. And it will still elongate for you. See? I'm going to show you this one. Detangle it and then twist it back up. So I'm doing the method that I have always used and have shared with you guys before, how to properly detangle your hair. You're going to see my hair actually elongate. Nice and elongated. It's really that simple. Because over time it's going to lose a little bit of elasticity after your initial wash if you go ahead and rebraid it or retwist it, and that's what's going to help it elongate. So that first is this. And this is pretty much the length it was, because I had it in a little ponytail and it was pretty much at this length. And as you can see, the rest is at this length. Half up, and then I had this like this. See if I could flip this hair back this way. So yeah, it was just like cute little curls. And I'm just going to do one row. I'm going to do the back row just to show you. And that's how you do that. And then you just continue to do it throughout the whole head of hair. And there you go. I'm just going to keep on doing what I'm doing right now. So there you go.